In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an app using your Google Sheets data. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a solid foundation for creating your application efficiently and effortlessly. This guide is meant to be easy to follow, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little bit of experience. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to create and link your Google account to AppSheet. This is a straightforward process. Make sure you're logged into your Google account that contains the Google Sheets data you'd like to use. Once you've done that, head over to the AppSheet website. From there, look for the option to sign up or log in. Often it's just a simple click to integrate your Google account, ensuring seamless access to your data. Once you have AppSheet all set up and your account linked, navigate to your AppSheet dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Click on the Create button, which you'll find prominently displayed on the dashboard. After that, select App from the options provided. This action begins the process of building your application. Following this, you'll hit Start, which is like giving the project the green light. Now it's time to personalize your app. You'll need to enter a name and select a category for it. Choose something that reflects the purpose of your app, as this will help keep your project organized and easily identifiable. With that setup completed, your next step is to select your Google Sheets spreadsheet. This is where your data resides, and selecting it will allow AppSheet to pull in that information for your app. It's important to make sure that your Google Sheets are well organized, since the structure and data types can affect how AppSheet interprets your information. Now, you have an important decision to make. You can either use a template or edit the app yourself to suit your specific needs. Templates can be incredibly helpful for those who are either pressed for time or would like a more guided experience. However, if you'd like complete control over every little detail, editing it yourself is the way to go. You'll find a range of customizable features if you choose to build it from scratch, allowing for a tailored and unique application. With the groundwork laid, you're now on your app editor. This is where you can truly make the app your own, adjusting layouts, functions, and aesthetics to your liking. Take your time to explore the options available to you and test the app along the way to ensure it functions as intended. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've now taken your data from Google Sheets and transformed it into a fully functional app. It's quite exciting to see how accessible app development can be, and we hope you're now ready to create and innovate with your newfound skills. Thanks for joining us, and happy app making. Happy.